The race is on for a vaccine, and Mike, his doctors asked us not to use his last name to protect his privacy, has already left the starting block. He and 11 others were recently injected with a trial vaccine at a lab in Kansas City.
I got a shot, so we'll see what happens.
Mike is a maintenance engineer at the lab complex doing the trials. He still lives at home with his family, but is under close medical observation for 28 weeks.
So your energy is good?
Yes, yes.
The vaccine in Mike's body is being produced by a Pennsylvania-based company called Inovio. Their approach is to inject part of the virus's DNA code to fool our bodies into thinking we've been infected for real and start producing virus-fighting antibodies.
I think we're very optimistic in our vaccine's ability to be safe and potentially effective.
The Gates Foundation gave $5 million to support the research.
A miracle therapeutic or the vaccine are the only thing that we'll be able to say, okay, we're back to normal.
Mike told us he was inspired to be an early volunteer after a friend died, he thinks, from COVID-19, and to help his family.
If this works out, and this trial that you're on,
When it works out.
When it works out, how are you going to feel then?
You hear everybody say this is the new normal. I don't want this to be the new normal. I want this to be an inconvenience, and then we can get back to normal.
Inovio is one of several companies around the world working toward a vaccine. Experts caution none of the approaches is guaranteed to work and carry risks, which is why so many safety checks are required before any potential vaccine is mass distributed.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.